malfunction.
Were you not watching? She marked up that wall as a distraction. She wanted us to think she escaped.
Hold on, we are talking about an animal here.
A highly intelligent animal.
400 meters to the beacon.
You're going after her with non-lethals.
We have $26 million invested in that asset. We can't just kill it.
This man are gonna die.
300 meters to the beacon.
You need to call this mission off right now.
You're right on top of it.
Call it off right
You
now.
are not in control here.
I know why they wouldn't tell us what it's made of.